Hey y'all, vaughntwins here. I'm Kiana.
And I'm Kenya.
And welcome to our channel. If you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Now if you are new, then welcome. Kenya and I do videos within the area of beauty, lifestyle, and natural hair. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I would recommend that you subscribe. As you all can see by the title, this is part 2 to me and Kenya's Sephora VIB sale. Part 1 was the skincare edition. We'll make sure to link that in the description box below. There'll also be a little eye right here, okay? But watch it after you get done watching this video, okay?
Right, don't click on it.
And this is part 2, which is our makeup edition. So if you all are interested in seeing everything that we purchased from the Sephora VIB sale, then let's get it. Hey, let's go. The first item that I picked up is an actual primer, and this is by Versace, guys. I picked this up because I've seen so many beauty gurus wear this product. Their skin always looks nice and dewy, and for this particular one, this is the Skin Tune Blur, so it tends to blur like your large pores if you have that, or fine lines, things of that nature, but it doesn't matte you out so badly to the point to where like your makeup ends up looking cakey or anything like that on your face. It still leaves your skin with a very dewy glow. And since I've picked this product up, I've been loving it, and it has done exactly that. I am wearing it underneath my makeup today, and it feels really good, you guys. This is the travel size. I did not want to commit to the larger size because it was just too much money for me right now. So this is the travel size, and I love it.
I picked up my tried and true foundation, and that is my liquid foundation. It's Lancome. It's the Tint Idol. This is it right here. It's in 460 suede. I pick this up every single time the VIB sale comes around. I've been using it for probably the past 6 years now, ever since I got into makeup. The color is my exact color. The finish, I absolutely love the finish. It can be a little matte, which is perfect for me because in the summer months, which it seems like every month here in Texas is a summer month, right? You know, my skin can get a little dewy and a little wet, so it's perfect for me. I don't know, I just absolutely love Lancome, and that's the reason that I picked up this foundation again. So I'm just, you know, replenishing things that I already have in my collection. And the foundation that I picked up is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Foundation. I picked up the color 5W2, which is rich caramel. I love this foundation. I have been looking for a powder foundation since we are in the summer months now, and I want something that's exactly my skin tone, but that is also going to keep my skin like dry, not necessarily matte, but just dry. Like I don't have to worry about my makeup melting off my face or anything like that, because if y'all know about the South, man, it gets hot. Yes, it
here.
does.
And so I have been in the market for a powder foundation, but one that was not going to dry my skin out too much and leave it looking too cakey. And this one I absolutely love. It does leave a smooth, velvety finish on your skin because that is the texture of this actual matte foundation. So make sure that you all pick this up if you're interested. Okay, I picked up a makeup palette because what better time to pick up any kind of high price items than when Sephora is having a VIB sale. I went ahead and picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina eye palette. Guys, this is gorgeous. As you can see on the screen, you can see all of the colors there. You see that the packaging is beautiful. It has like this lilac purple type of packaging. It's a velvety packaging, so it feels really nice. It's easy to grip, so when you're holding it and you're applying your, you know, your eye makeup or whatnot, it just feels really good. It also has a mirror on top of the eyeshadows, which makes it really nice. As you can see, it has your mattes at the bottom, and the colors range from like your base color all the way to a nice rich cognac color. And then on top of that, it has your shimmers, and those colors range from like a nudish type of shimmer all the way to a nice purple shimmer. So I'm absolutely in love with this palette. I don't know where I've been, but I didn't hear about this, and I know it came out a while back.
Yeah.
I didn't hear about it though. Well, normally I'm gonna tell you guys, Kenya is more so into the skincare products, and I've always been more so into like the actual makeup and palettes and things of that nature. And we actually just kind of switched it this time. Because you all don't see that Kenya has way more makeup products in this actual product haul, and I have way more skincare products in this.
I'm trying to catch up, y'all. I'm trying to catch up.
So we switched place.
Yes. Okay, so next I picked up the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Triple Volume Plumping Lash Primer. This is it right here, guys. As you can see, the packaging is white. It's beautiful. It's just a primer that you apply to your eyelashes before you get ready to put your mascara on. This is another one of my tried and trues. In addition to that, I went on ahead and coupled it with the new Pat McGrath mascara, guys. This one is the Fetish Eyes. Now, the wonderful thing about this that I have just recently learned is, guys, I do not have to apply my eyelash primer before I put the Pat McGrath on. Now, I'm gonna give you guys the backstory for the eyelash primer. The reason that I initially picked up the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Primer is because 3D is what it does to your eyelashes. It makes them long, it makes them flirtatious, it makes them flutter really nice. Flutter, flutter. Right. And so whenever I would use other mascaras, I'm not gonna name any names, I would have to apply this in order for my eyelashes to look elongated. The wonderful thing though about the Pat McGrath, and I know that you can agree, the wonderful thing about the Pat McGrath is that I do not have to use an eyelash primer in order to get my eyelashes to look elongated. Kiana doesn't either. Yep. So my eyelashes, they look long, they look full, they look voluminous, they look voluminous. They look voluminous. So they are beautiful without any kind of primer. I just know that whenever I switch out from different mascaras, I'm still gonna need to use my Dior Show 3D eyelash primer. But while I'm using my Pat McGrath, honey, I will need it. Going along with the eye theme, next product that I picked up is the actual Pat McGrath eyeliner pencil. Kenya and I absolutely love liquid eyeliners, you guys, because just like the crayon ones are too hard to work with in our opinion, and we have really, really small eyes, and so when we need to get in there, we need something that's going to be precise. Right. We need a tip that's going to be fine and precise so that we can really, really get in there and make our wing liner if that's what we decide to do on our eyes. And so we picked this up. Now, another issue that Kenya and I have with our eyes is a lot of times when we put eye products on, it irritates our eyes because our skin is so extremely sensitive, you guys. It makes our eyes burn and all that. It's crazy.
Burn, water, all that stuff. Yeah, so with this Pat McGrath eyeliner, you guys, that does not happen, at least with my eyes. It does not irritate the eyes, and so I've been loving this, and it actually stays on all day. It's not runny or anything of that nature. It's not like a whole lot that shoots out as soon as you put it on. It glides on very smoothly, you guys. It's intense, it's dark, and it's just nice. Next item is a cheek palette that I picked up by NARS. This one has beautiful blush colors in there. As you can see, there is a nice range of colors, all the way from a reddish pigmented color to a nice coral to a nice brown, or like an orangish or whatever. And then there's also a nice nude color in there for your cheeks. And then in the top corner, there is a nice highlight. Now, I am actually wearing the palette today. The cheek color that I chose is Come Hither. And go ahead and bask in that beauty there. And then the highlighter that I'm wearing from this palette is called Make You Mine. So guys, this cheek palette is absolutely gorgeous. Kiana's actually wearing one as well. I am wearing Give It Away. Love this cheek palette, y'all. Love. So as you can see, there are five, sorry. So as you can see, there's 5 cheek colors and there's one highlighter, as I stated before. I love these because there's a nice range of colors. I'll be able to wear them in the summer and the winter months, and I get them all in one palette. I feel like it's perfect for travel.
You know, like it's like your perfect on-the-go palette. So I had to pick this up. What I also picked up is the bronzer. Now this is a bronzer that everyone has been talking about as of lately because they were just released not too long ago by our girl Rihanna. And it's the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This one is the Sunstalker bronzer. I got this one in Caramel Cutie. I've already used it. This is it right here. As you can see on the screen, it's a nice color for Kiana and I, because when it comes to bronzers, we don't need something that's too chocolatey or too dark, because it will make our faces look too, like, way too chiseled and way too contoured. And you don't want like that chiseled look. I mean, you want to give a subtle contoured look. What I also picked up, guys, is this beauty blender right here. And again, this is one of my tried and true products or items. I just went on ahead and replenished what I already had. Mine was getting pretty old, so I added that back into my collection. What I also have is my Cover FX setting powder. I have it in the translucent color. It's called the Translucent Light. And I just picked this up in the travel size because I'm just trying it out. I don't know if I'm going to like it yet. I did set my makeup with it today, and I absolutely love the finish, so it's all good so far. My makeup looks really good, you guys. I also have the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. This one is really nice. I've just tried this on and used it for today. Prior to this, I was using the
Glam Glow.
Yes, the Glam Glow. I really like that one during the winter months because it makes your face really dewy. But what I absolutely love about this Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray is that it sets everything. It doesn't make it dewy. And from what the Sephora person in the store told me is that it makes your makeup show up really well in pictures. So if you guys want like a review after I've worn this for maybe like a month or whatever, then let me know and I will be sure to let you guys know.
Next product that Kenya and I will be showing are our lippies. Kenya and I picked up this Rihanna lip gloss. It's in the color Fenty Glow. As you all can see, this is more of like a nude gloss.
Yeah.
Kenya and I love it because it's nude. It's a nude gloss, but then also when you wear actual pigment on your lips, like a lipstick or lip stain or something like that, it doesn't take away from the color. It just adds a nice glossy shine over whatever color you already have on.
Yeah.
And so Kenya and I absolutely love this. We've only had it for a couple of days now, and we can't stop wearing it. It's not too sticky in my opinion.
Right.
It's not sticky at all. It lasts pretty long. I do have to retouch like every maybe hour and a half. It just depends on how much I'm talking or eating or something like that. But I love it. It feels really moisturizing. But when I wear it by itself, I do put on a lip gloss underneath it. And so, yeah, when I put a lip gloss on underneath, it doesn't stay on as long. It's a nice gloss for brown skin, in my opinion.
Alright guys, so I also picked up this VIB Beauty. I absolutely love this because it's a nice, like a pinkish color for brown skins. For brown complected girls. It's kind of like a pinkish nude. That's how I would like to put it.
And that concludes our haul. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you'll know every time Kenya and I upload a new video. And until our next one, we love you guys. Bye.